Alright, mission accomplished today. I got my new air compressor. There she is, in place, just sitting there for the time being. But she's ready to be all hooked up. Now I just got to build my shed around it. But I'm going to put doors on both ends of it. But it's definitely going to give me the air that I'm definitely ever going to need. And thanks to my friends Sergio and Beth and my new friend Vinny for helping me get it here. I was on pins and needles about getting it here, but with the help of some friends, I was able to accomplish my goal. And there she is. Onward and upward. Cool beans. Later.